Finding the right parking and storage solution for your Turo fleet can make all the difference in protecting your vehicles, saving you money, and keeping your operation running smoothly. If you have space at home, your garage or driveway is the most convenient and cost-effective option. You'll avoid extra rent and enjoy instant access, but be mindful of capacity limits and any HOA or lease restrictions on storing multiple cars. For fleets that exceed home capacity or need more flexibility, consider renting a dedicated parking space. Platforms like Neighbor.com, Spacer, and Just Park connect you with spare driveways and garage spots in your neighborhood, often at rates lower than traditional storage units. You can also explore monthly permits at local parking garages or lots, especially those off the beaten path where demand and cost is lower. If climate control or extra security is a priority, self-storage units offer both indoor and drive-up access options. Climate-controlled units protect electronics and upholstery in extreme weather, while drive-up bays allow quick pull-in and pull-out access between bookings. Commercial fleet parking can be surprisingly affordable, too. Some local rental agencies and wholesalers sublet unused lot space overnight or on weekends, and many RV or boat storage facilities have large, gated lots built to accommodate bulky vehicles. Partnering with these businesses can give you a secure spot without the premium price tag. Finally, tap into local partnerships. Auto repair shops or dealerships often have empty bays they'll rent by the month, and hotels or office buildings may lease you off-hour parking stalls under a simple agreement. These locations typically offer added security, think lighting and surveillance, while freeing up your home and avoiding zoning headaches. Key considerations: always prioritize security, choose gated, well-lit locations with camera coverage if possible. Verify that your insurer approves the storage site. Some policies require indoor parking. Balance cost with accessibility. Ensure you can easily pick up keys, clean, and turn over vehicles between guests. And don't forget to check local zoning or permit requirements. Some municipalities restrict non-resident vehicle storage. By mixing and matching these options, perhaps keeping a few cars at home for quick rentals and the rest in an affordable drive-up unit or partner lot, you can scale your Turo fleet efficiently and securely. Stay tuned in to the Car Host Academy to learn Turo hosting tips and tricks daily. Before you leave, hit the subscribe button.